Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in 2 weeks time probably we will start our doctorate doctoral in philosophy in international management on March 7 in the Philippines. That's Saturday, but March 6 here, Friday in the afternoon. So we enroll leadership and there's two subjects, major subjects. But all in all, there are core 16 units. That's 4 subjects. Then we have 18 units for the major. Then for the cognate, we have 3 subjects optional. Not optional. We have to pick 2 cognate subjects. Then after that, dissertation. So after dissertation, we have to pass the comprehensive exam. So the school that we are into is University of Perpetual Helps System Daltas in Las Piñas. So we do online. So the comparison of our University of Hawaii Manoa, that we just got that one for free. So that's $650 per unit. So one subject is equivalent to 3 units. That's equivalent to 1,950. So there's 30 units, 10 subjects. That's 19,950. That's equivalent to $19,950. That's equivalent to 1.1 million pesos. But in Daltas, that's only $107 per 3 units. So at least it's cheaper in the Philippines. So since we already upgraded our salary from 31,000 to 42,634 for our annual salary, and others they got almost 45,000. It depends. So every year they increase almost $800 for the additional increment every year. So the program for the PhD will be 2 years. There's 42 units for the curriculum since 2023. So why we enroll already? Because they will change the units from 42 to 60. But for our courses, we have bridging because we don't have thesis, and it's only 4 subjects, 12 units. We will see from there. So hope we're declaring that we will finish it. There are 8 Filipinos. There's 2 from Leone. I think there's 2 from Leone, 1 from Leone Elementary. There's two from Leone High School, but their school is in Mindanao, in our place in the Philippines. So there's 2 in Leone High School. There's 1 from Leone Elementary, and there's 1 from Ulibotec. They enroll all together. Then there's a second group. Actually, there's 1 taking DBA, doctorate in business administration. That's my wife. And there's 3 teachers from the Ulibotec. Actually, there's 4 taking philosophy of education in education and management. So let's see from there we finish the course in 2 to 3 years from now. We're not doing anything yet because we're waiting for the schedule, but we will start on March, first week of March. So we're praying that we will, accomplish this until we graduate. So the salary grade here in American Samoa, we have AA, we have $20,000 annually. We have the BA, they got 31,000 annually. Then if you have masters, you can get 41,074. So it increase every year. If you're added almost $800 a year, it will goes up. And then the doctoral is 50,233. So if there's an increment, if you're working for 10 years, it goes up to $60,000 annually. So it's different. It's different salary in American Samoa than in the States. In the States, it's bigger. So now the deputy director, according to my research, it's the salary is exposed in the public. It's $65,000 annually. And the deputy and the director, any director in different department in the public American Samoa government is $70,000. So that's how the salary goes. Director 70,000, deputy 65,000, and goes down to doctoral with PhD degree 50 plus thousand. Then we have masters 41 and up $1,000. Then we have MA 31 plus thousand a year. Then we have AA $20,000 annually. So hoping we're finishing our studies. That's the highest salary that we can have in our education. So please pray for us, and declaring that eight Filipinos that taking classes will graduate with flying colors. So that's it, and have a blessed afternoon. It's only Monday, February 23 here in American Samoa. Bye bye and babush.